To effectively manage your Rocket Money subscription, it is essential to understand the platform's features and functions. Rocket Money is a personal finance management tool that helps users track their spending, create budgets, and set financial goals. The first step in managing your Rocket Money subscription is to regularly review your account activity. This involves monitoring your income and expenses, as well as tracking any changes to your subscription status. By doing so, you can identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses and optimize your budget. Another crucial aspect of Rocket Money subscription management is setting clear financial goals. This could include saving for a specific purpose, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. By setting achievable goals, you can create a tailored plan to reach them, using Rocket Money's budgeting tools and features. In addition to tracking your finances and setting goals, it is also important to take advantage of Rocket Money's automated features. This includes setting up automatic payments, budget alerts, and investment tracking. By automating these tasks, you can save time and reduce the risk of missing payments or overlooking important financial deadlines. To get the most out of your Rocket Money subscription, it is recommended that you regularly update your account information and adjust your budget as needed. This may involve updating your income or expense categories, adjusting your budget allocations, or changing your financial goals. By keeping your account information up to date, you can ensure that your budget remains accurate and effective. Finally, it is essential to take advantage of Rocket Money's customer support and educational resources. This includes accessing online tutorials, webinars, and customer support teams. By utilizing these resources, you can gain a deeper understanding of the platform's features and functions, as well as stay up to date with the latest personal finance trends and best practices. By following these best practices, you can effectively manage your Rocket Money subscription and achieve your financial goals. Remember to regularly review your account activity, set clear financial goals, take advantage of automated features, update your account information, and utilize customer support and educational resources.